Hello dear viewers, today I am going to make a short video on a topics because I have not downloaded any video for a few days due to my personal problem and also another technical problem because the microphone which I used earlier has been broken and disconnected. No video recording is going on improperly and disrupted. That's why I am unable to record a video and download it on my YouTube channel DS Publication. Dear friends, in my YouTube channel more than 182 videos are available which were recorded by my small microphone, which is very helpful. Unfortunately the microphone has been broken, that's why it is not possible to do any new video. That's why I have purchased a microphone from the online shopping, that is by way of a media, that is Flipkart. Flipkart is very helpful and delivery and all the materials and parcel are very good quality. They provide good service to the customers. That's why Flipkart is going on very helpful and popular. Through Flipkart I have ordered a Boya microphone and today I have received and unboxing in front of you. The amount of the Boya microphone is 679. So let's start. This is famous Boya lavalier microphone, micro cravate BY-M1. It is very famous microphone for YouTuber, Facebooker and media persons who is interested to record a video smoothly and sound quality wants to be very good. Then my suggestion to purchase the BY-M1 Boya microphone 1. Let's watch the unboxing video. Here a small packet in black color bags. Here I am going to open, and in the bag some materials are available. In the big carton there is guarantee card or handbook of Boya microphone, and this is microphone. This is the connecting point with mobile phone, DSLR or camera, etc. And looks how much the cable is long, perhaps 6 or 7 meter long of the cable. Here is the in front side, and in the packet also there is a very sponge for use in front of the microphone. Here is also a connector and a device and also it is called a clip, and it is kept on shirt or t-shirt or etc. This is also a small battery. Whenever video recording through DSLR or camera I started, then lose the connector side and use the small battery inside the box, and then it will work very smoothly. Here is also a option on or off. Here cameras, here off, smartphone, etc. So this is very helpful. I suggest all my viewers to purchase the Boya microphone if they are a YouTuber or Facebooker or journalist doing media industry. This is enough, and also a Boya microphone. If the video is very helpful, then like, comment and share, and appeals to my viewers to subscribe my YouTube channel DS Publication. Thanks.